guys. I hope you had a wonderful weekend. We are ready to get started with week number 3. We are reading a book called Love That Dog by Sharon Creech. If you haven't gotten your copy, be sure to let me know and I'll make sure you get your copy. Before we get started reading together, I want to go over this PowerPoint with you real quick. Love That Dog by Sharon Creech. This is a novel, but it's written as a series of free verse poems. It's about a boy named Jack who's in class, and his teacher wants him to learn to write poetry, but he's not too sure about writing poems. The whole book is written in free verse poems. Basically, that means it's poetry without rules. It doesn't have rhythm or rhyme in the poetry, but it's still considered a form of artistic expression. What is a stanza? A stanza is a group set of lines within a poem, usually set off from other stanzas by a blank line or indentation. Over here you see an example of a poem, and it has a stanza outline, and in between those stanzas you can see there's a blank line. This is the poem The Pasture by Robert Frost. It's a poem that's used in the book Love That Dog, and you can tell it has how many stanzas? You're correct. There's one stanza, two stanzas. All right, so that's a couple of things I wanted to go over before we got started reading. So now you can exit out of this video and go on to video number 2, and let's get to reading.